stepped in it.
Oh, that's never happened before.
Oh, never happened before. Oh, I'm stepping it. Come on. She's actually a better mother than Gina in some ways.
Yeah, boy, Mom.
Oh, I don't step in it.
Part of the eating process.
Yeah. Well, I have to change the newspaper here today anyway, so I figured it'd be a good time to start. Of course. Tiger Berry, definitely intelligent.
Where's she going?
I don't know.
Well, sort of an attempt at their first kills. But
Oh, it could have been worse.
how could it possibly have been worse?
That bowl could be all over the place like the Bellingtons, remember?
So could you.
No. What's going on here?
One's sitting in it, one's trying to space dive into it.
There. Come on, you big mojo thing. Eat it.
Step over here.
Here, you get in there too. Tiger is the one that's eating the most. Chloe, what are you doing?
You're paying too much attention to them.
Yeah, I think that's the problem, isn't it? Can you stop eating paper?
Nope.
You trying to nurse off me, and my leg does not have a nipple. Here.
Sure does.